Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged the Indian diaspora and people from other countries to take part in the Bharat Ko Janiya or the No India quiz. Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, wife of Meghalaya Chief Minister Konarappi Sangma and the National People's Party candidate, emerged victorious in the Kambagre by-election, defeating her closest rival Sadyarani M. Sangma of the Trinamool Congress by a margin of 4,594 votes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the world is now acknowledging India's strategic importance due to the mantra of reforms, perform and transform being implemented by his government over the last 10 years. The United Nations Director of News and Media, Jan Phillips, has said that they are committed to communicating with target audiences in Hindi, whether it's on peace, human rights, sustainable development, climate or gender. The 55th International Film Festival of India today promises to be another exciting day with several events lined up. After the successful and crowd-pulling premiere of over 70 films yesterday, today will feature the screening of another 70 films.